Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Rockstar accounts from Steam. Let's get started. So what you need to do is make sure that your Steam application is open, and you need to go to your web browser and then log into your Rockstar Games account. Now what you need to do is go to the top right corner and then click on the profile icon, and you're going to look for something which says help, and then you're going to click on support. Now it says find answers and contact support by selecting an option below. So we're going to select account support. So now we're also going to select Rockstar Games account. So from the various options, email verification, password reset, look for something which says account linking. So now it says enter your PSN online ID for PlayStation, gamertag for Xbox or Rockstar Games account. So you're going to look for your ID from your Steam account and you're going to paste it over there. And then you're going to go to your description and you're going to tell them that you want to unlink your Steam accounts from your Rockstar account. So here, I want to unlink my Steam accounts from my Rockstar account. I included my Steam ID. So once you're done doing that, you're going to scroll down a little bit. Now it says, how should we contact you? So you're going to click on this button, which says submit web ticket. And it says here that it could take 24 hours. So you just have to be a little bit patient. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.